Hi guys, this is part 2 of my video blog of my media center PC. I kind of pretty much got everything crammed in there. As you can see, it's really tight in there, especially because I added this extra thick 120 millimeter radiator, and it's in a push-pull configuration. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but how tight that really is. It's really barely able to fit this fan, and getting these screws here to attach to the radiator was really difficult. I used two 500 gigabyte laptop hard drives. They're in a RAID 0, so I managed to install the reservoir and the pump. But yeah, really tight. Cable management was very difficult, but I managed to get it all out of the way very good. This power supply is a 550 watt modular power supply, so I'm only using the cables that I need to get in here, and I have it actually upside down. The fan is out here, so basically the air is going to pull up from the CPU and the RAM and exhaust it out through the back of the thing. So it's going to help with the airflow. The way that it's going to work is it's going to push air inward, cold air from the front, and it's going to pull it through the radiator, out the back, over the RAM and CPU and hard drives, and up through the PSU and out the back. So hopefully I'll give it. The side here is ventilated, so it should work pretty good. I'm going to fire it up, install Windows, and then kind of show you the final build in the next video. Alright, thanks.